Example on circle. Example, in the given figure, x and y are center of internally touching circles. Touching point is z. Segment BZ is chord of big circle. Intersect small circle at point A. Then prove that segment AX parallel segment BY. In the given figure, x and y are center of internally touching circle. Touching point is z. Chord BZ of big circle intersect small circle at point A. Then we have to prove that segment AX parallel segment BY. Solution. First draw segment YZ. First draw segment YZ. YX Z. X is in between Y and Z. These 3 points are collinear. Theorem of internally touching circle. Reason is theorem of internally touching circle. These 3 points are collinear. Y, X, Z. In triangle XAZ, in triangle XAZ, segment XZ congruent segment XA. Segment XZ congruent segment XA. Reason is radius of small circle. Therefore, angle XAZ, congruent angle Z. Give this as equation number first. Reason is angle opposite to congruent sides. In triangle XAZ, segment XA congruent segment XZ, these two sides are congruent, therefore opposite angles are congruent. Angle XAZ congruent angle Z. Give this as equation number first. Reason is angle opposite to congruent sides. Now in triangle YBZ, segment YZ congruent segment YB. Segment YZ congruent segment YB. Reason is radius of big circle. Radius of big circle YZ congruent in big circle, YZ congruent in big circle in triangle YBZ, YZ segment YZ congruent segment YB. Reason is radius of big circle. Therefore, angle B congruent angle Z. Therefore, in triangle YBZ, these two sides are congruent. Therefore, Angle opposite to these sides are also congruent. Angle B congruent angle Z. Angle B congruent angle Z. Equation number second. From equation first and second, angle XAZ, angle XAZ congruent angle B, congruent angle B. From equation first and second, angle XAZ, XAZ, XAZ congruent angle B. Reason is these corresponding angles are congruent. These are corresponding angles. Therefore, segment AX parallel segment BY. Hence proved segment AX parallel segment BY. Hence proved. Please subscribe my channel. Also likes my videos.